Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Good Brothers YouTube channel. So today and for the next few weeks, we're going to be looking at a topic that has had so many comments on a video we did previously. It's organic, biodynamic and natural winemaking. A topic which is so diverse, so much going on, and is quite often misunderstood. Hopefully I'll be able to talk about it clearly, concisely, so that even I can understand what's going on. And believe me, that's a feat. We're going to start off with biodynamics. Biodynamics is a minefield. Some believe it, some don't. We're going to look at it in much more detail. If you do want to know more about any of the topics that we do cover in these videos, please do leave us a message. We do read them all and we will react to them as we are now. Also, make sure you subscribe because you'll get notified straight away when a new video comes out. So, watch out for the next biodynamic video. It will be coming shortly. And until then, drink better wine.